Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning, good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. My love affair with trains. I just love taking trains. And as I was sitting on the train and seeing the little towns, train station passing by, sitting comfortably on the train, there is Wi-Fi, there is charger, everything so comfortable with the beautiful scene passing by. I was thinking maybe I will take a Trans-America train. Anyway, my love affair with train will never end. So this time I took a train from Bretagne to Paris, and then from Paris I will take train to the airport and go back home by myself, because my work starts early. My ticket was on a much later time, but I need to change. No, let's see the outfit of the day. So I arrived Gare du Nord, and in the middle of the night by myself, so I did an outfit of the day. There is not so many people around. I put my cell phone on the trash can so that I can stand there. The trash can, there is something that is tall enough. So silly. Nobody sees me, I think. And this is Gare du Nord. It's such a beautiful, elegant train station. And I have been here. I think the other time I came here was going Eurostar, go to London. And I kind of forgot how it looked. I just remember it was very, very big. And so I just took some selfie and look around and feel so good, so feel home. 7 years ago or 6 years ago, I met my sister in Berlin train station, and then we took train to Budapest, Prague, and she took train to Budapest. We did picture, and when I was young, I took train to see my father, and so much memories thinking about train. And my family took train to Tibet, and we eat hot noodles, 方便面, instant noodle. So now we have instant noodle, 火车面条, train noodle, because that's something typically you eat in the train. And so this is Gare du Nord, and the surrounding area. Look at this gigantic, beautiful construction, the Gare du Nord. And one train stop further is Gare de l'Est. And I went there, passed by there. Anyway, in the evening, I do not have much things, and I am by myself, walk around the streets and enjoy. I end up in a Bengal restaurant, and this is so inexpensive. It's fish curry with vegetable with rice, €7. How good it is. Bye-bye, friends. Oh, I have so much freedom and love and enjoyment in the city. Paris, bye-bye, my last night. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Cuckoo, bye bye.